So, as you said, I am representing Slow Fashion Season today. But I want to start off first because actually I'm not working for Slow Fashion Season rather than Collection. Meaning that Slow Fashion Season is a campaign run by us at Collection. And I first want to introduce to you like what we are doing at Collection, because then you will have a better idea of what we are trying to achieve. So 2016, Collection was founded as a platform that is kind of working like, for example, a crowdfunding. But what we do is we do crowd act. So unlike Kickstarter, who is, for example, looking for money, we are looking for people that are actually acting towards the same goal. So how could that look like? Our biggest campaign so far is the Slow Fashion Season. So meaning that once the idea was drafted to have people not wear or not buy any new clothes for 3 months, then we thought, okay, how can we bring the people together? And this is what crowd acting is. So if you feel like you have an idea, for example, not buying new clothes for like 3 months, and you feel like that you would be a droplet in the ocean because everybody else is still buying clothes as they always did, and so your impact on the world is kind of small, you do it together. So that means by last year we had already almost 15,000 people participating in the Slow Fashion Season together, which then helped them to add up their impacts, generate a bigger collective mass impact, and therefore just get around these active pessimism that some people feel when they have a good idea, but they kind of don't want to do it because, well, they're not going to save the world on their own, are they? So for Slow Fashion Season, it was the case that last year we were able to actually gather a crowd from 127 different nations, which was super nice to see that due to something like the internet, we could offer something that brings same-minded souls from the whole world together. And so the next Slow Fashion Season will be on June 21st starting. You can find us also under Instagram under Slow Fashion Season as the hashtag. And yeah, our goal in general is to roll out more projects like this, not only in fashion, but also other lifestyle related, consumer oriented approaches. And the mission is kind of to prolong this process of the 3 months, meaning that not only people are dieting clothing for 3 months or raising awareness, but at the end of the day might be also in the future more sustainable in their lifestyle.
I love it. So kind of like leveraging technology to show that nobody is too small to make a difference.
Yes, but also praising the individual importance of consumption and consuming behavior, because that's only a feeling people get. If you look out in the world, you might think like that your decision is not having a big impact. Well, bringing those people together kind of shows them that it does. So it's also about the freedom of the consumer, but also being aware while consuming.